Hello, welcome back, and today I'm going to be going through cleaning scratches off any phone case, tablet case, etc. I've had this case for a while. It's great because it's got two layers and you can still see all the features of my phone, but it's got a bit tatty, and what you should be able to see is various scratches. You can see quite a large scratch there. And what I really want to do is I just want to get rid of it, so I don't want to get a new one. And today I'm going to be going through how you can actually remove them. Okay, so step one is, first of all, get yourself a container, place some washing up liquid in there. You can put some glass cleaner too. Not a great idea to kind of mix substances together, but they're fairly fine. There shouldn't be any reaction. And just place it in there, followed by some warm water, warm soapy water, not too hot. And we're just going to give it a little clean. Okay, so now that I've added some warm water, I'm just going to place both covers in. I'm also going to place the back cover because there's a few scratches there as well. You'll see them just across the line where the phone is actually pressing against the actual case. So place it in there. Any container will do as long as it's got some kind of lid. Just going to give that a little shake. Okay, it's been a while, so I have shaked it. What I'm going to do now is just empty the contents and just bring them out, wipe them down, and show you what they're like. Okay, the case is back out. All I'm going to do is just dry that out, removing all of the water. Now, what that's actually done is effectively just cleaned out a lot of the various areas that I've got. However, you can still see that the scratches are there, and that's what we're going to focus on now. You can do this on both sides. This layer is a little bit harder, and what I'm actually going to use is my magic secret T-cut. It's actually fine, and as it mentions, it's great for all sorts of things, including UPVC, ornaments, radiators, all sorts of things. So what I'm going to do now is I've got myself a rag which I use, anything that's fairly soft and is not going to catch anything, and fairly clean. Microfibers are not a bad idea either, so if you've got any microfiber cloth, that also works very well. I'm just going to dab a little bit onto my cloth, and then I'm just going to slowly rub in place wherever there are scratches. So I'm going to be mindful of wherever they are and just continue on taking out wherever there may be any scratches. So I'm just going to continue on. I will need to do both sides because unfortunately in this case I've actually scratched the inside of the case and also the outside. So I'm going to continue on with that. Here's me doing the actual top side. So I've actually gone a bit crazy with the T-cut and it has gone everywhere, but I'm going to continue on. Work, maybe I'll run another round soon. On the harder plastic, it's a lot better. It was a lot more prominent across the sides, and that's now actually gone. There's still a residual after effect, which it just needs some more time and probably a tool to polish. It takes a lot of effort to actually buff down, so I'm going to maybe look at some sort of power tool next time round. Okay, well, thanks for watching. Please do leave a comment below, like and subscribe. It'd be great for any other ideas that you can think of. Really appreciate all comments and improvements. Until then, see you next time.